Here I have 2011 Ninja Kawasaki 250, and I have rev problems when I start. Usually it dies, but that's not the main issue. The main issue is when I give throttle, it drops very slow, or it stays there. Here, I'll start it up. I let go of my arm and it still stays, or it dies. It's not completely warmed up, but even if I warm it up, similar problem. It just revs up when I rev it, and it slowly drops, and it doesn't ride good. It's hard to switch or do anything. So what I did, I cleaned my carbs, and I readjust everything how it's supposed to be. I believe right one is like 2.5 and left is 1.75. So I adjusted that way, and I don't know if it's supposed to be that or I need to readjust them. If anybody has the same issue, I'll show it again.